How to order a wedding chairs in shiny color, heavy duty, and good price. Thank you for watching my videos, and I hope you can watch till the end and find it out. A wedding chairs is commonly made with stainless steel, so the color can be shiny, gold, silver, champagne gold, and rose gold. But at the same time, the material of stainless steel is very high. Therefore, some factories will reduce the thickness of the pile to be 0.8 mm or even down there 0.5 mm. Some quality problems will happen. The chair is not stable on the welding because the pile is thin. We make the chairs into iron. In this case, iron material raw material price is much cheaper than the stainless steel, so we can make the thickness to be 1.0 mm or even 1.2 if the customer requests. The price will be only 7% like the stainless steel. The duty will be over 500 pounds. We produce various models of shining chairs from the order of our customers. If you like this video, please give me a like and follow my videos account. I will share lots of furniture information. See you next time.